The raftsmen were here before the war. My father was boating to Warsaw, delivering cargo, because there was no road transport or another. I was brought up here on the Vistula. The leopard can't change it. The easiest way was to load the goods and boat to Warsaw. Yes, the pond. We used to go for 2.5, or even 3 weeks with a pond. Once there were 16 or 20 ponds here. Today there are 3 or 2. I was brought up here on the Vistula. The leopard can't change its spots, so I can't live without water. We're the royal rafts on the Vistula. As present-day raftsmen, we reconstruct the old fleet, which was sailing the Vistula for ages. For the first time we can see a port on the Vistula which adapts self-righting to the level of water, using original structures such as seen here. It's quite different on the Vistula. It's a completely different perspective of Poland, of landscape, of life. It's a continuous open air. When my husband returned home from work, he told me about a wonderful place he saw. You can come here with children for a bike trip, you can come here with a camper, you can sail in here, and if someone wants it, they can even spend the night in here. Today we're going for a kayaking trip from Janowiec to Puławy, passing Kazimierz Dolny. Let's go. The weather's great, wind is in the back. I'll go first and the lifeguard goes last. You choose a pair and go paddling. The Vistula has always given Puławy an employment, to boatsmen, because there were no bridges then, to sandblasters, to fishermen, and all those nearby settlers who had helped to cross the river, to those who owned inns and taverns. And today we wish this place would be vibrant and full of life again. Mr. Suchocki once said, there will come a time that the Queen of Polish rivers will cease to be a white spot on the map of Europe. And this time has come. The port in Puławy is the heart, the Vistula is the bloodstream, and there are 2 ports in Kazimierz and Janowiec. These are the lungs. We have finally waited a real, true port in Puławy, just like those ports in Great Masurian Lakes. 5,500 cubic meters of concrete. You can safely moor here, eat fish and fry 750 tons of steel. Buy some food. We pumped out several thousand liters of water per hour to set the pillars. Bosun house is nearby. When I say to my fellow engineers that I'm building a port in Puławy, they get wide-eyed with astonishment and they are very impressed. And then you can easily sail on.